Hi, Bill from The Educated Landlord here. Today I want to talk to you about rents and how to determine what your rent should be for your rental property. So one of the problems many landlords have is they aren't quite sure what they should be charging for their rental unit. And one of the big mistakes that I see is they believe that if they rent the property for slightly less than everybody else in the area, they'll get tenants who will want to stay longer, and they'll get tenants, well, more tenants actually applying to rent in the property. And while this can work in some situations, in my experience, I find it sets you towards a path of problems. And the problem being, if you underprice your property, first off, you're undervaluing your property because some of the rents actually apply towards how much value the property has. But more importantly, you're attracting the tenants who don't have as much money. And they may be more of a risk for you than if you look at it from the other angle. And the other angle in my case is, I tend to look and see what the normal properties are in the rental area that my property's in, and then I go ahead and I renovate the property upwards a little bit, so it's just a little bit beyond the other properties in the area. Due to this, I can charge a premium, and this premium, depending on the area, can be $50, $100, $150 more for basically an identically looking property that just looks a little bit better on the inside. And we've seen this in the past where we have a property with nice hardwood floors or laminate floors, and kitchens are all nicely painted, bright and shiny with white paint on the cupboards, new handles on the doors, and it just looks like a more modern environment, new light fixtures. And then down the street there's another place that rents for $150 less with old brown shag carpeting, original wood, dark wood cabinets, and their property just keeps on rotating. Every 6 months you see a new for rent sign. My property, 2, 3, 4 years at a time. Tenants just stay on and on and on because it's comfortable, it's modern, and they're paying a premium to stay there. And because of this premium, they tend to take better care of the property as well. So there's my little tip for you for setting rents. Do a little research in your area, find out what the other properties are like, even if you have to go visit the properties just to see what's happening if they have an open house. It'll give you a better idea, and in the long run, it'll give you better, more dependable tenants. Hope you enjoyed this tip today, and look forward to talking to you in the next video. Thanks.